All right, welcome to another edition of the online training for the machine tool program. Today we're going to talk about the Clausing Colchester lathe. All of you have seen these lathes. Some of you have ran them. Some of you may have not. But I'm going to give you a little rundown on what the parts are of the lathe and try to get this training done again in 5 minutes or less. Can't guarantee it. Please bear with us. I'm using a cell phone for this. We're going to go over the parts of this machine, kind of a first person look at it. Okay, we're going to start with this is the head. Okay, this is the head of it. It's a gearhead lathe. There's a bunch of gears in there, makes everything go. This is how we adjust our spindle speed. Okay. Over here is our chart, how we set our gearing for just cutting. Okay. Most of you should know already, CS8X is the one we use the most. Over here is our chart for millimeter threads. Down there is our inch threads. This is what makes the direction go. Which direction we need to go. If it's going the wrong direction, you go the other way. Down here is our gears. You see C. This one's set up at CRX. And it looks like 1. Somebody was probably threading on there. Emergency stop. Green button is the go button. Turn the power on. This is to push that and allows us to spin the spindle. And this is the spindle. This is the chuck. Spindle, chuck. This is our guard. That's also a safety. If that is not down, the machine will shut off immediately after you try to turn it on. Okay. So we have the ways right here that extend the full length of the machine. Okay. Here, this is the carriage. This is the crossfeed, or cross slide. Compound rest, tool post, tool holder. Tool post, tool holder. Okay. This lever right here allows you to move your tool up and down. This is a nut that allows you to swivel this and move it back and forth. This controls our compound rest. This controls our cross slide. This controls our carriage. We have a lever here. This is called the half nut. We're using this when we are threading. Will not work if we don't have this in the right spot. This is our feet. We have all the way in is to go back and forth. All the way out is to go in and out. And then right in the middle, that is when we use this, along with this dial right here, to do our threads. This lever turns the spindle on, over and down, makes it go forward, over and up, makes it go reverse. Moving on up, we have a tailstock. Okay. We have a handle to feed the tailstock. This locks the housing. This locks the shaft. In this machine right now is a live center. We use live centers and not dead centers. A live center means that it will spin. Dead center means it doesn't. If you're using a dead center, we're usually cutting on aluminum or soft materials. A dead center will wallow out the hole and then it won't work. Okay, so that is the Clausing Colchester lathe. And this has been a lesson in less than 5 minutes. Make sure you watch the video. There's going to be a quiz.